Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you how to take a screenshot on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So to do this, you only need to press a key combination together, that is Windows key, Shift key and S. Just press these three keys together on your keyboard and you should see your screen go dark. Once it goes dark, you can simply select the area that you want to capture in the screenshot. Alternatively, you can also press the print screen key on your keyboard. This will also have the same effect. If either of these keys don't work, you can also open the search menu, type Snipping Tool. Here, go ahead and open it. In this app, you will need to go to the camera tab. Here, click the new button and then capture the area that you want to see in the screenshot. Once this is done, you can simply click on this save as icon if you want. Alternatively, your screenshots will also be saved automatically. You just need to go to the pictures tab in the file explorer and double click the screenshots folder. Here you will see all your screenshots you have taken in the past. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below.